Hey everyone, it's Bubsbee here. I wanted to come to you all and give you guys an update from using the bondbar collection sold exclusively at Sally Beauty. So the bondbar hair repair system does come with 4 products. So if you get the full bondbar collection, it's definitely going to revitalize your hair. It's going to make your hair feel so luxurious and happy, and it's geared to strengthening the hair strands, and it's perfect for all hair types. This is also great for highly damaged hair, but also it's going to be a perfect day-to-day collection for the simple naturalista who wants something that's actually going to work and they're going to feel the benefits from this product. I felt the moisture, I felt the strengthening aspects of it, and I also did see a reduction in my breakage. So overall, I'm very impressed by this collection. I have been loving it for the past couple of months. My hair has been enjoying it. I actually keep the shampoo and the conditioners in my shower because they work really good as a duo together, but all together the 4 products work amazing. What a great system. So definitely check out these products if you haven't already. They are at your local Sally's or sallybeauty.com.